Good morning, everyone. This is Mike Hogan from Jeffersonville, Indiana, bringing you your morning comments for Tuesday, October 4th, 2016. Before we get the morning session opened up here, looks like corn's off about a penny on the overnight, beans off 2, wheat roughly around even, maybe a penny lower or so. Corn had a pretty nice move yesterday, finishing in that 8, 9, 10 cent higher range. Funds were substantially short going into the last couple of weeks, so looks like it may have caught a little bit of a short covering rally. Looks like that may have given us a little bit of a pop. Seasonally, this is generally the week where you find your seasonal low in the corn and soybean market. It appears like it might be off of that a little bit this year. Looks like for corn, we may have done that back in August 31st, which is a little bit earlier than normal. Well, probably substantially earlier than normal. Beans have the same type of look. Looks like we may have made theirs about 2 or 3 times. We've got a triple bottom in place right now. There's generally a secondary, almost harvest low, kind of post-harvest in early December. That may be something to keep a lookout for. But the triple bottom, as we talked about on beans right now, is currently at 934 to 937. Corn had its low, believe it or not, off the September futures at 301 on the continuation chart there. So those numbers continue to look to hold up as our current harvest lows right now. We'll probably have to get moving here a little bit this week to try to get pressure on both of those numbers. As we turn our attention to South America, they have some of their planting season upcoming in the months ahead. Currently, they are running a moisture deficit right now, but we have seen a little bit of rain start to dribble in there over the past week. It does look like we'll see a little bit more in the forecast there, but certainly nothing that's going to erase any of the dryness concerns that they see right now. We did have one private estimate out yesterday for yield for the U.S. Looking forward to that October 12th report that we see. That was FC Stone. They came in at 175.2 on corn and 52.5 on soybeans. Pretty sure that did not move the needle a whole heck of a lot at this point. Right now we're looking more at what actual field results are versus anything that some private estimates are going to look at. And right now I'd say there's certainly plenty of corn and beans that look to fit the bill of a record yield, but there's certainly more than enough spots that I think will make most analysts uncomfortable on average to even slightly below average yields, especially on corn as we look at some of the lower Mississippi and the Ohio Valley right now. So those are things to take stock in. In my mind, it does appear that we have printed probably our highest USDA numbers thus far. Would be surprised to see an uptick from there, but that's at least what one private estimate has said here this morning. So again, it looks like we'll probably start out here a little bit lower to steady in the morning, and we'll see how the rest of the day trades. Thanks, and have a good one. As always, the comments made here are my own, and not those of CGB Enterprises or any of its affiliated companies. Thanks. Have a great day.